Hello, welcome to ClayDesk. My name is Syed, and I am going to be talking about, of course, how to learn to code easily and quickly. There's just one skill that you need to have to learn to code. And generally, people either have this skill or they don't have this skill. And that is the ability to sit at the computer for many hours at a time, right? So, we know that there's something called a zone where people just sit at the computer uninterrupted for long periods of time, and that's how they can put together complex thoughts and then, of course, logic and then put a program together. So, this is a habit that a lot of people don't have. I mean, they sit down for 10 minutes and then they gotta yeah, go get something to eat, right? They gotta go watch TV. They gotta, watch some movies. They're checking the phones all the time. Yeah, hang on. Let me check my phone here. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, go shopping, go run an errand. So you cannot sit in front of the computer, focus on your thoughts, right? And then be able to learn to code. So if you can get into the habit of saying just block out, let's say 5 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, get something, coffee, or whatever it is, sit in front of the computer, dedicate yourself, and do not move, focus, and then block off that time, you will definitely become a good programmer or a coder. And that's how you will learn also, right? Because software engineering is all about learning over and over again. New technology comes in, you just still have to sit and learn. That's how it is, right? So unlike, let's say, other professions like being a physician or an attorney, for example, it doesn't work like that in software engineering. You got to sit in front of the computer and that's it, and learn. Tip number two, by the way, no one is going to teach you how to code. And in other words, no one's going to hold your hand, right? If you go to college, for example, do not expect someone to sit next to you and say, hey, this is how you do things. This is what object oriented programming is. This is what a class is, and whatnot. So no one's going to do that, right? And you probably would have experienced this already. So the best thing is to have that initiative, that dedication to be self-taught. Now, yes, there are many courses out there. For example, I mean, I've created many courses where you can actually learn by doing, right? But still, you got to sit and do it, right? I mean, I can't come out of the screen and hold your hand and do it, right? So you got to be able to make sure you do it yourself. So this is the number one. Yeah, and just two tips that I gave, right? If you want to be getting into coding, programmer, whether it's Java, Python, doesn't matter which language it is, right? That's what you need to do. You need to sit and then stay focused and then continue to get your thoughts together, focus on the problem, and then learn how to code. Okay. But if you are just like an extrovert, like, going out or just moving about and every 10 minutes you got to go grab something, no, it's not going to happen. All right. So you got to be able to make sure that you have this ability. And if you do not have this ability, then you got to create this ability, right? This is sort of like a skill. I call it a skill, where once you create it, you will definitely see it faster, right? You will learn faster, you will code faster, you'll code more efficient. And that's really the number one or number two or two tips that I can give you here. So, hey, my name is Syed. Happy coding. Hope you like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Till next time.